Bekuyinkukhu nempaka ePhalamende phakathi kwaMnumzane Gayton McKenzie kanye noMnumzane Mbuyiseni Ndlozi we-EFF ngesikhathi kubanjwe i-debate mhla ka-18 kuJulayi 2024. Angiqale nje ngubingelele ngwamukele le channel eMasweti Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi ufana kaDlomo waphansi le enkandla. Uma ngabe ke uyaqala ufika le channel cela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso ukuthi uqofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje. UBobo ke ngolaka uMnumzane Ndlozi weqembu le-EFF evikela uMnumzane Dr John Hlophe ePhalamende ngamagama ashiwo uGayton McKenzie owabhekise kuyo ephikisa ke amagama ke akawashilo ethi ke weGayton mfoka McKenzie kumele ukuthi ke uyoqala phansi ulwazi lakho uyolufunda kabusha ngoba sengathi ke ulwazi oluphethe aluphelele esho nokusho ukuthi ke leli judge ke oligxeka njengamanje othi lona belikade ngoba phela ke uGayton McKenzie uthe ubuze uDr Hlophe ukuthi ke usho kanjani ukuthi ke lo mthetho osetshenziswayo njengamanje awulungile ekubeni wena eqaleni kade ke uvuna wasesukuma kuNdlozi wathi nje cho unephutha ke akakaze awuvune ke lo mthetho uMnumzane Hlophe ubekade ewuphikisa ubekade bhala ama thesis abuphikisayo lo mthetho okhandwe ke abamhlophe kwanye ke laba abangamabhunu. Uthe sahlezi phe kwakhe nje uGayton McKenzie wabengenelela nakuMnumzane Gwede Mantashe wathi suka lapho wabefuthi ekhwela kuMnumzane John Steenhuisen emtshela ke futhi naye ukuthi hawu we baba indlela ke ngizoku-addressa ngayo mina ke ile ukuthi we matriculant wena unesitifiketi sika matric nje kuphela akukufanele neze ukuthi ke ube kuleyo ndawo. Ngicela nje ukuthi uyibonele zonke igameko ebekade ke zigilwa uMnumzane Ndlozi ePhalamende ngomhla we-debate bese ke sidibana kuma comments. Ngiyabonga.
The judge has written a thesis when he was on the bench attacking Roman Dutch law.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Your illiteracy is not going to help us.
Can you please sit down?
This judge
Honorable
has
Ndlozi.
written papers against Roman Dutch law when he was on the bench.
Can you take the
You come here and you lie. You lie. This judge spoke about decolonization of the law from the bench. Don't lie here, man. Must read extensive, well-researched papers that are peer-reviewed. Yes, yes. And he didn't say anything about sports, about arts. He gets there.
Honorable.
But what's going to happen about the arts?
From Honorable Ndlozi.
What is the point of order? Sorry, I was switching on the mic. No, I wanted Speaker respectfully to address this honorable member with his rightful title as a matriculant, seeing that there are confusions of titles today.
Honorable
This is a
Ndlozi.
judge.
Honorable
Now
Ndlozi.
you have a matriculant.
Honorable Ndlozi. Honorable members. Order.
I think that the grannies and the pensioners and the Stokvels who had their money stolen from them at VBS don't sleep any better knowing that the people who stole from them have doctorates and master's degrees. You see, time and time again, they've used populist politics and racial rhetoric to break down any attempt at building a consensus over the growth-enhancing reforms that our economy so desperately
on
Honorable
real
Mantashe.
important issues.
Honorable Mantashe, can you take your seat? What is the point of order, Honorable Ndlozi?
Speaker, I wanted to check if it's parliamentary for Honorable Mantashe to put the wrong button in the wrong.
Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable Ndlozi, can you
I'm
please take your
protecting
seat?
the dignity of GNU now.
Honorable Ndlozi. Honorable Ndlozi. Honorable members, can we take ourselves seriously and each other seriously too? This is an important debate and I don't think it is an honor for each one of us to actually cast aspersion or to actually impugn on another person's character. Honorable Mantashe, you can please proceed.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Ndlozi, for helping me out. Thank you. So the real challenge facing us in this House